Okay guys, it is the time for today's $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I usually use this as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading, and we will be doing that again tonight. But before I go fully into it, I would like you guys to know that this video is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you love the content I'm dishing out from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so guys, these are the assets I will be checking out today, and of course everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. Okay, and of course guys, if you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. Okay, the more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve. Okay guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay, so this started a downtrend right from here, but came to an end somewhere here, so it went back on uptrend but wasn't able to go more than this resistance zone, so it had a major pullback. Okay, but it got to this region, okay, this support zone. Okay, so it has not been able to break out from there, so it's buying at the moment. Okay, but it has been playing around there for a while, so we need it to break out above this. Once it breaks out above this, then it's going to buy more, and we'll be trying out this resistance zone. Okay, so this should be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity, except if it does not break out above that resistance zone, that is when it's going to sell again. Okay, so the next asset is going to be boom 500. It started a downtrend from here. You can see the downtrend signal, and of course the sell signals, and of course it's kept on selling till it got to this region. So right from there it has started an uptrend, and it is buying at the moment. So this is going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Let's move on to crash 1000. This is crash 1000. This had been more of an uptrend than a downtrend. Of course the movement has not been that smooth, but it is still more of an uptrend than an uptrend, than a downtrend. Okay, so it has gotten to this resistance zone. If it breaks out above it, it's going to buy more. Okay, so this is buying at the moment, even though this might not be for a very long time, in case it's unable to break out from there, okay, from the resistance zone. Okay, next asset is going to be crash 500. So guys, this is crash 500. This had been on downtrend for a very long time, but after getting to this support zone, it played around there for a while. But this is going to be giving us more of an uptrend than a downtrend, even though the movement is a bit slow. Okay, now let's look at volatility 75. Okay, this is volatility 75. This had been on uptrend for a very long time, got to this resistance zone, had a pullback, and went back up again, was unable to get to the last resistance zone, and of course right now it's going back on downtrend. So this should be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. So guys, these are the assets that we are able to look into, to check out today. And of course, if you love my content, can you give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.